I think this is somewhat of a difficult concept to understand, especially when you're young. That beauty is so fucking overrated. स्पेशली जब हम आजकल देखते हैं ये एप्स पे सोशल मीडिया पे and people posting their pictures on Instagram, and if you see them in reality, that is something else. So people just get so phased in that dream reality of Instagram, of people showing how happy they are or how life should be, that they almost forget that what life is actually meant to be. And especially when we are young and जब हम छोटे होते हैं, we see everything by faces. We see everything. We measure success in terms of money. We measure beauty in terms of beautifulness. I think as you get older, you realize that, especially in romantic relationships, then you have to be with someone who understands you, who respects you as a person, who cares for you, and there's that passion to be with each other. I think that is so much more important than just looking good or being physically. You should be fit, you should be healthy, but I just mean like physically fit, like people see for abs and all, like physical appearance. And this is something which you get when you get older. You realize that this is not all that matters. At the end of the day, you're gonna age, and everything right now you care about would all fade away. But like I said, when we are young, we are not bothered by it. Everybody just wants to have some fun, and they want to chill with someone good looking and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, as you get older, you realize that it's better to look for someone with a kind nature, with a sensitive nature, who understands you, rather than just go by looks. I think for me, personally, confidence is sexy. How you carry yourself, that is sexy. Personality should be amazing. I think that is what I look for when I look for someone. I think that is what makes me attract to someone. So yeah, look for things which would be forever, like their mind, their smartness, their thinking, how they treat people. I think that is so much more important and so fucking underrated over this thing of beauty, this concept of beauty, and people just looking beautiful. So yeah, look for someone, how they carry themselves, how they walk, and how they speak with people, how considerate they are. I think consideration is such a quality which people don't even understand. Everybody can live for themselves. गाय भी, गधे भी, एक्चुअली गधा भी अपने बच्चे को खिलाता है, ठीक है. दैट इज नथिंग significant we are doing as human beings. As human beings, it's our responsibility to take care of each other as a community. I think that is what we are here to do. And if we are not doing that, there's no point. It's just like Albert Einstein said, everybody can live selfishly. Thing it's the people who live for others, that selfless kind of thing, that is what matters. You should be selfish. I'm not saying you shouldn't be completely selfless. Let's face it, I'm Kalyug man. There is no point just going blind with that altruistic concept. But yeah, think about you, but think about others as well. Already it takes the selfish and the selfless to make the world go round. And we need both kind of people. You have to fall on the latter one, the selfless kind. All right, so yeah, think about others, do good, be good, and just don't go by beauty. It's so overrated.